My dear students, our today's topic is a textbook question, and the question is, what happens to the force between two objects if number 1, mass of one object is doubled, distance between objects is doubled or tripled, and number 3 part, masses of both objects are doubled. What happens to the force under these conditions? We know, according to universal law of gravitation, force is equal to G, that is universal gravitational constant. Capital M, it is the mass of one object. Small m, it is the mass of second object. And R is the distance between the two objects. Now, our first part of the question is, mass of one object is doubled. What happens to the force? We see force is directly proportional to the product of the mass of two objects, right? When the mass of one object is doubled, we know force is directly proportional to the masses of the objects. Therefore, when we double the mass of one object, force also gets doubled. Force between the two objects also gets doubled. Number 1, answer of 1 question. Part number 2, distance between objects is doubled or tripled. In both the cases, what happens to the force? We know again here, force is inversely proportional to the distance, square of the distance, that is r square. You see, अगर हम डिस्टेंस डबल करेंगे तो सिंपली ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स जो है, ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स, if we double the distance between the two objects, then the gravitational force becomes 1/4. Becomes 1/4. In the same way, if we triple the distance, then what happens to the force, gravitational force? Gravitational force becomes 1/9. Quite simple. वैल्यूज इसमें डाल के हम ये आराम से कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. तीसरा पार्ट जो है इसका, तीसरा पार्ट है masses of both the objects are doubled. अगर हमने एक ऑब्जेक्ट डबल किया तो डिस्टेंस डबल हो गई, ये फोर्स डबल हो गया. अब अगर हम दोनों को डबल करेंगे, अगर एक इससे पहले 1 किलो था, दूसरा भी 1 किलो था, एक को हमने डबल किया था यानी 2 kgs, दूसरे को यही रखा था तो सिंपली डबल हो गया था. अब अगर हम दोनों को डबल करेंगे, दैट इज 2 × 2, तो ये قدرتی بات ہے کہ اٹ ول ٹرن 4 times. یعنی گریویٹیشنل فورس جو ہے دیٹ ول بیکم 4 times greater. And this was a textbook question and it's very important question. تو انشاءاللہ ہم دوسرے لیکچر میں اگلا کوشچن اٹھاتے ہیں. تو آج کے لیے اتنا کافی ہے. السلام علیکم.